£3.75 plus £2.40. Quick, what's the total? If you hesitated, this video is for you. Let's master decimals in under 5 minutes. Tip 1. Do you triple check that your numbers are lined up correctly? The decimal points need to be on top of one another so you don't accidentally make the number bigger or smaller. Tip 2. Do you remember to always start from the smallest place value or the rightmost column? They're the same thing. You do this in case you want to carry or borrow a number. If you remember these tips, addition and subtraction with decimals is easy. It's just like normal. Can you try 20.8 plus 6.9? Pause the video to work it out for yourself. Firstly, remember to line up the numbers correctly, so make sure the decimal points are all in a nice line. Secondly, start from the right, so you do 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Third, the digit in the ones value goes on the answer line, while step 4, you carry the tens value to the ones column. 5, add the ones, remembering about the carried 10, so 1 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 7. And finally, step 6, add the tens column. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So there you have it. 20.8 plus 6.9 is equal to 27.7. And for subtraction, can you try 2.56 minus 0.82? Pause the video to work it out for yourself again. Firstly, check the numbers are lined up with the decimal points on top of one another. Secondly, like with addition, start on the right, but with 100ths this time because that's the smallest place value. So you do 6 take away 2 is equal to 4. Third, you go to the tenths. You can't do 5 minus 8, so borrow a 1 from the ones, turning the 2 into a 1, and a 5 into a 15. Step 4, subtract. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. And lastly, you go to the ones and subtract. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2.56 minus 0.82 is equal to 1.74. Easy, right? So now can you do 3.75 plus £2.40? If this helped to make maths make sense, please like and subscribe and click the notification button to be the first to see more videos.